Hey guys, I'm Justin, the Aleph Cloud Country Ambassador. I welcome you to Baguio City, where we're going to have the first meetup for AI and the future of cloud compute. I'm very excited to host the first event here in Pansigsan Village, where we're going to have good music, beer and coffee, some good meals to talk about the future of Web3. Come join me later as we move forward to the future. So what is Aleph Cloud? Aleph Cloud is a European company based in France. They have raised $10 million from Ubisoft, and they are now into the part of scaling it worldwide. So to explain to a beginner, I would say Aleph Cloud is like a new kind of cloud provider, but decentralized. Instead of relying on one central data server, it uses a distributed network to provide computing and storage. That makes it especially interesting for Web3 projects that want stronger, transparent, resilient, and with interoperability. So what is it trying to solve? Aleph Cloud helps solve the problem of relying too heavily on centralized cloud infrastructure. Many Web3 applications want decentralized systems, such as computing, storage, and hosting, and Aleph Cloud gives them those services in a decentralized way, while trying to keep the convenience and performance people expect from traditional cloud platforms. The main difference is decentralization. Traditional cloud providers depend on centralized infrastructure, while Aleph Cloud uses a distributed network. It also brings in blockchain compatibility, tamper-resistant design, and token-based, pay-as-you-go access models. So it combines Web3 security principles with cloud usability.
Yeah, we have a good session when it comes to Aleph Cloud. So what we learned so far and what the Aleph can offer is the decentralized, which is something new with the market. No? So yeah.
One of my takeaways is really how interesting this Aleph Cloud is, and compared to the other competitors such as yung mga existing right now, the ChatGPT, and now it differs from this new or this Aleph Cloud that we just heard of. Yeah, it's really interesting and can't wait to see the opportunities and possibilities and the data privacy. And
which is something it's a control.
So it's a caveat. Yeah, for us, yeah.
So majority of the companies can use this for their, of course, for every task and needed na private lang sa kanila.
True.
So that would really help each and every even in private lives and also corporate. That would really help implement things na magawa nila nang wala silang inaalala.
Yeah. And I love that how Aleph Cloud really put there's no limits up to the front seat, kasi parang if I were to generate as a certain image or like a certain prompt to the Aleph Cloud versus to the ones that are existing now, na parang the conversation stays between me and Aleph Cloud. Yeah.
What I really like about Aleph Cloud is the cost. If you go through decentralized data center platforms, your cost will be as high as $30 for a very simple instance of a VPS. But with Aleph Cloud, it goes as low as $3. How can that happen? I thought Web3 will be much expensive, but no. Web3 actually distributes it in the world. That makes it cheaper because all of the resources that you get is across the world with all the people who's willing to contribute to the network. And there you have it. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta in the first Aleph Cloud meetup here in Pansigsan Village in Baguio City. We're looking forward for you to join sa next hackathon where you can win 15,000 pesos. For details, you can send us your Ethereum address in our Facebook page in Aleph Cloud Pilipinas. And from there, again, we look forward to see you again in our next event. Maybe somewhere here again in Baguio City. This is Justin, your Aleph Cloud Ambassador for Asia. Maraming salamat ulit. Aleph Cloud!